Hi, I'm Advaita and this is the Elixir of Life. This little bottle here contains high frequency water which can change your life tremendously. We all know water carries frequency. Yeah, if you speak nicely to water, if you play music, you can measure the structure, you can see the structure of the water itself is more beautiful. If you use ugly words or some low frequencies, then you can also reflect it in the water. So water, and we are made out of water, right? When the full moon rises, then we react to it. I mean, the water, the tides are coming, but also we react. In this little bottle, we find 33 waters from all around the world, collected on certain full moons, yeah, planet constellations, where the water, the frequency was very high. So then the water, after that, gets connected to crystals, yeah, so it gets the energy and the frequency of crystals like gemstones, like I wore here, yeah. And it also contains 15,000 frequencies, sacred geometry, colors, yeah, like music, Tibetan balls, mantras, yantras, all these tools we use to create high frequency, to increase our energy levels. And this is what this water does. It increases the energy, gives more balance, grounding, activates the energy centers. And there are many tests, kinesiology tests. Yeah, you can test yourself, you push your arm down, then you wear the water, and all of a sudden you have so much strength, you sleep better, you learn better, you can do better yoga, you have more energy when you run, you can do so many things with that water. It's really amazing. The most amazing thing I like the most is you pendulum yourself, yeah, in your energetic field or your chakras. You can feel this immediately. If you want to have a consultation, just book my 50-minute free call and I can show you on the phone how it works. You can feel the effect of the pendant immediately. It's really nice. So you can cleanse yourself when you work with clients, when you, even food, yeah, water you can cleanse. It's such high frequency, it resolves all the negative frequencies around us. I tried so many things, and it's not just another product. Yeah, this is really, you can feel the power. You can feel you can feel the change in the shift yourself. Please try it out. The Elixir of Life really improved my life. I have argued with my wife, with my loved ones. Yeah, in the evening we just pendulum ourselves, and it's dissolved. Because we go outside, we go to parties, meeting friends, going shopping, and we pick up all these energies around us. Yeah, if someone is envious towards you or has a bad day, and you more maybe energetically loaded, and you can just tap into the energy field. You come home and you have stress with your loved ones, not because of you, but because you picked it up. And with this, you can cleanse it. And I know people will say, "Hey, this is just." What can this water really do? And just some woohoo and magic. This is science. Yeah, there are many people in this world who work with water, with frequencies, and they can prove how this really works. And the best is try it out for yourself. Feel the benefit. If you follow me on this channel, I gave you many proofs how the breath works, meditation, that you can feel higher state of consciousness. So please just trust me on this one. This pendant really can improve and help you in so many ways. And all you have to do, click the link in the description below. You will find the homepage of the Elixir of Life. You can order there. You get 10% off if you use the coupon code Advaita. I'm not doing this for money. I want to share this with the world because it helped me in so many levels. And I know this can really transform the world. And this is not just another business. It's not just another water. These frequencies will give us a big quantum shift in everyone's life. Please try it out, have a look. Thank you for taking your time. Have some faith, have some trust in me. I just want to help you feeling better, and this is a very natural and easy accessible way how you can improve your life right now without doing anything. No meditation, no pranayama, no yoga. Just the frequencies. Best you word on your solar plexus, between your solar plexus and your heart. So can you really absorb in the energy channels this high frequency water. Thanks for watching. Send you lots of love. Namaste.